Tools in action. Today we have the Dewalt DPW4240. It's the 4200 PSI pressure washer from Dewalt. It's a little more unit than I can handle, so I brought it to an expert. This is Mike from the Ultimate Detail here in Fox Lake. He's been detailing for over 10 years, and he's put tons and tons of hours on this. As you can see, the unit was brand new when we got it, and now it looks like it's got years of use. So, Mike, what do you think of the unit?
It's a great unit. It's obviously Dewalt, so that's a good product. It has a heavy-duty general pump, which gives you plenty of pressure as you need it. Like he said, we put it through quite a bit of abuse. Last week we went and washed a 200 RV, so the thing has been running for 12 hours straight, pretty much shuts off just to get gas. Real easy to fill the oil, to check the pump oil. It's got quick disconnects for your hoses. Comes with a nice 50-foot long hose, a nice long wand to get into tight spots. Quick disconnect as well on here. Other than that, it's pretty easy to use, and it withstands the abuse that we put it through. Right here is you turn the gas on, turn it off, start it. You slide this over to choke it. Once it's started, you can put it back into the run position. On and off switch here. And when you're starting it, you always want to be pulling the trigger because these heavy-duty pumps will build up the pressure if you're not holding on the trigger, and it will be harder and harder every time you pull it. But other than that, it's a great machine, and looking forward to using it a little longer.
So, how many pressure washers would you say you go through?
I probably go through 4 to 5 a year.
4 to 5 pressure washers a year, okay. So we're going to do a long-term review on this. As you just heard, it goes through 4 or 5 a year. We're going to do a long-term review. We're going to check back in with Mike probably at the end of summer and the beginning of next summer and see how it's holding up. So if you want to see more of this, you can go to toolsinaction.com. Don't forget to visit our sponsor, acmetools.com, and you can also go to dewalt.com to view more about the pressure washer. Thanks, Mike.
Thank you.